Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Now, in this second video lecture of week 12 for the course Mathematics 1, we are going to discuss profit and loss. This lecture is the continuation of my previous video lecture. In the previous first video lecture of week 12, we have already discussed percentages. Now we are going to discuss profit and loss, and in the next stage, inshallah, we will discuss percent profit and percent loss.
Cost price is the price at which the shopkeeper or retailer purchase the items from the wholesaler. CP represent the cost price. So in the coming problems, CP represent the cost price. Now, what is the selling price? Selling price is the price at which the shopkeeper sell the items to the customer. SP represent selling price. So, dear students, note that by this mathematical expression, we can easily define the profit and the loss. If the cost price is greater than the selling price, we have loss at this situation. And loss can be defined by using this formula: cost price minus selling price. And if the selling price is greater than the cost price, we have profit or gain. And profit can be defined by this formula: selling price minus cost price. So this is a very fundamental and important terms to remember: the definition of cost price, the definition of selling price, and how to find loss, how to find the profit. When we loss and when we gain, if the cost price is greater than the selling price, we have a loss, and if the selling price is greater than the cost price, we have profit or gain. Now, for example, if a cost price of a doll is 195 and the selling price is 181.50, find the profit or loss. The solution for this problem: first of all, point out the cost price. The cost price for this item is 195 and the selling price is 181.50. So dear students, in this problem, the cost price is 195 and the selling price is 181.50. The cost price is greater than the selling price. So at this stage we have a loss, and the loss can be defined by selling price, cost price minus selling price. The cost price is 195 and the selling price is 181.50. So subtract 181.50 or subtract 181.50 from 195, we obtain 13.50. So there is a loss of 13.50 rupees. Now another example: the cost price of a pen is 19 rupees and the selling price is 24 rupees. Is there a gain or loss? How much? So for the solution, point out the cost price of the pen. The cost price is 19 and the selling price is 24. In this situation, the selling price is greater than the cost price, so we have a profit, and the profit can be defined by selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 24 minus 19. 19 is the cost price. 24 minus 19 is equal to 5. So in this situation, there is a profit of 5 rupees. Now another example: a vegetable seller bought potatoes for Rs 200 and spent Rs 20 on the transport and then sold them for 290 rupees. Find the profit or loss. First of all, find the total cost. Cost of the potatoes. The original cost of the potato is 200, and the transport money spent on the transport is 220 rupees. So in this case, the total money spent by the seller, this is the total cost. 200 plus 20 is equal to 220. Now the selling price of the potatoes is greater than the cost price. So this is the selling price 290. So selling price of the potato is greater than the cost price, and we have a profit, and profit can be found selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 290 and the cost price is 200. So this is equal to 70. 290 minus 220 is equal to 70. So there is a profit of 70 rupees. Now, how to determine the selling price? If profit is given, then how to determine the selling price? For the formula, we have profit formula selling price minus cost price. So selling price can be found out by cost price plus the profit. This is the fundamental formula of profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So shift this term to the left hand side. We obtain selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, and the the cost price can be found by selling price minus profit. So if loss is given, the selling price will be cost price minus loss. Now let's move an example. A watchmaker bought an old watch for Rs 420s and spent Rs 85 on its repair. Later he sold the watch at a gain of Rs 60. Find the selling price of the watch. For the solution, dear student, first of all, point out the cost price. The cost price of the watch is 420. Money spent on the repair 85. So total money spent on the watch, total cost 420 plus 85 is equal to 505. Now profit on sale, this is the profit on sale 60 rupees. So profit is given. So the selling price, now using the formula cost price plus profit. The cost price is 505 and the profit is 60 rupees. So now the selling price total 565. So the selling price of the watch is 565 rupees. Now how to determine the cost price when profit is given? When profit is given, the cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, and if loss is given, then the cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Using this formula, the loss formula is a cost price minus selling price. So cost price will be equal to loss plus selling price, and selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So let's move an example for this discussion. A merchant sold a fan for Rs 1250 at a loss of 200 rupees. Find the cost price of the fan. In this example, in this problem, loss is given. Now to find the cost price of the fan. So the solution, the selling price of the fan is 1250 rupees. Loss on sale is 200. Now the cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. The selling price is 1250 rupees plus 200 loss. So the cost price is equal to 1450. So the cost price of the fan is 1450. So dear students, these are very basic and easy formula. Just to remember the formulas, we can find the cost price, we can find the selling price, and similarly when cost, when profit is given, how to find the cost, when loss is given, how to find the cost. Similarly, when profit is given, how to find the selling price, when loss is given, how to find the selling price. You should note these formulas. So by using the formulas we can find the unknown statement. Now a very important topic